Good morning. This is Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. 3 guesses what we're talking about today, and the first 2 don't count. So we're just going to go over a couple of these AK47 type rifles that I've got here. Talk a little bit about what I found, where I found them, and just a brief introduction. We're going to take these out and shoot them this summer, so we'll have videos on all this stuff. Go into them a little more in depth on each of them videos. So this is Dean. Hope you enjoy the video, and we're just going to flip them over, talk to them about a minute, and we'll see what we got here. So this one here is a Polytech side folder. I was at the flea market. Guy says, "Hey, I got an AK47. I says, "All right." He says, "It's got all Bakelite furniture on it." I says, "Well, I'm interested." So he went home and got it, and I bought it. But everybody knows I'm looking for cool stuff. So that's why I got this one. I also bought, off of the same gentleman, I bought a Browning High Power German-proofed World War II. This is another Polytech with the underfolder bayonet. I was in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan at a garage sale, and on the side of my truck, I'll show you someday, I have I Buy Cool Stuff, guns, military stuff, and whatnot. And he says, "You buy guns?" And I says, "Yeah." So he says, "Let me go in the house. I'll be right back out." And he comes out with 3 sheets, handwritten sheets of firearms he was thinking about selling. And one of them said Polytech 7.62. And I says, "Well, I'm interested." I says, "Can I see that Polytech?" So we went inside and he opened up his safes. And here was this. And I bought that Polytech AK47 in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan at a garage sale he was having for $600. That one, I remember the exact price. And that's what he had on the sheet. This is a Galil. I got this last winter. This past winter of 2022, 2023. Neighbor of mine picked up a gun collection. He says, "I got a Galil. Are you interested in it?" I says, "Not certain." I says, "But I'll take a look at it." And I had to add some parts to it. It had that stock down there on it. So we put a regular side folder on it, military side folder. And put the bird cage on the end. Just had a nut on it. But I bought that this past winter for $900. Because a friend knows that I'm interested in these type of things. So when you're buying cool stuff, everybody's got to know you're looking for it. If they don't know you're looking for it and serious about it, willing to pull money out of your pocket and buy it when it comes your way. Always be willing to pull money out of your pocket and buy it. So if you like the little video here, we'll take them out and shoot them, go over them a little bit more in the summertime. Still got snow on the ground here in Michigan. Not much, but a little up north at my property. I might take a gun up this weekend and shoot it. So just watch my videos, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll go over these all a little more in depth as we take each one out and shoot them. Have a good day.